Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Camaro Lieutenant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front reading lamps, power door locks, power outlet, heated mirrors, traction control, floor mats, passenger vanity mirror, telematics, and MP3 player. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.